That's right, motherfucker. It's over.
How'd you find me?
GPS tap on your boat. Jesus Christ, Morgan. Jesus fucking Christ, you're the Bay Harbor Butcher.
I really hate that name.
I always knew there was something with you. But this shit,
What can I say? You were right about me.
let's get this over with. Put them on. Morgan, you're done. Give it up.
Would you, in my position? Hey, you shoot me, who'll prove your innocence?
Maybe I'll just kneecap you. Nice and slow.
Back the fuck off, Morgan.
I'm just following your lead.